Welcome to the world of the Yamaha MT-09, a motorcycle that is more than just a machine. It's an embodiment of performance, style, and cutting-edge technology. Designed to thrill and engineered to dominate, the MT-09 represents Yamaha's commitment to creating motorcycles that offer an exhilarating yet refined riding experience. At the heart of the Yamaha MT-09 lies its powerful 889cc liquid-cooled, inline 3-cylinder engine. This masterpiece of engineering is designed with Yamaha's signature crossplane crankshaft technology, delivering a unique combination of torque, power, and linear acceleration. The engine produces a distinctive growl that announces your presence on the road, while its smooth and consistent power delivery ensures confidence in every ride. Whether you're weaving through city traffic, enjoying twisty backroads, or cruising on the highway, the MT-09 offers an experience that's as thrilling as it is versatile. The performance of the MT-09 is enhanced by its lightweight aluminum frame, which is designed to provide exceptional rigidity and responsiveness. This advanced chassis ensures precise handling and stability, making it perfect for riders who love to push their limits. Every turn feels sharper, every movement feels natural, and every ride feels like an extension of yourself. With the MT-09, you're not just riding a motorcycle, you're mastering it. To complement its advanced frame, the MT-09 features a high-performance suspension system. The fully adjustable front forks and rear shock absorber allow you to fine-tune the bike's setup to suit your riding style and road conditions. Whether you're navigating bumpy urban streets or attacking smooth mountain roads, the MT-09's suspension provides the perfect balance of comfort and control. For those who crave even more precision, the SP variant of the MT-09 takes things up a notch with Öhlins suspension components that deliver a premium riding experience. What truly sets the MT-09 apart is its advanced electronics suite, designed to enhance both performance and safety. The bike features Yamaha's ride-by-wire throttle system, which provides precise control over power delivery. With multiple riding modes to choose from, you can tailor the bike's behavior to match your preferences and the road ahead. Whether you want maximum performance, smooth control in the rain, or something in between, the MT-09 adapts to your needs with ease. Safety and control are paramount, and the MT-09 is equipped with cutting-edge systems to ensure both. Traction control, slide control, and wheelie control work together seamlessly to keep the bike stable and manageable, even in challenging conditions. The quick shifter system allows for clutchless upshifts, enabling faster and smoother gear changes that make acceleration effortless. With every feature designed to work in harmony, the MT-09 offers a level of sophistication that puts you in complete command of the ride. The full-color TFT display is the centerpiece of the rider interface, providing a wealth of information at a glance. From speed and gear position to riding modes and traction control settings, the display is intuitive and easy to read, keeping you informed and connected. This modern touch reinforces the bike's high-tech feel and ensures that you're always in control, no matter the situation. When it comes to design, the Yamaha MT-09 is a bold statement of individuality. It's aggressive, futuristic styling is instantly recognizable, with sharp lines and dynamic proportions that exude power and confidence. The compact LED headlights and taillights add to its striking visual appeal, while also improving visibility for both the rider and other road users. Every detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the minimalist tail section, has been meticulously crafted to create a motorcycle that looks as good as it performs. The MT-09's ergonomic design is as functional as it is stylish. Its upright riding position offers a perfect blend of comfort and control, making it ideal for long journeys as well as short, spirited rides. The wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, while the carefully positioned footpegs reduce fatigue and enhance maneuverability. Whether you're tackling tight urban streets or exploring open highways, the MT-09 ensures that you're always comfortable and in command. One of the key strengths of the Yamaha MT-09 is its versatility. This is a motorcycle that can do it all, from commuting to touring to spirited weekend rides. Its lightweight and agile nature make it easy to handle in traffic, while its powerful engine and advanced suspension make it a joy to ride on winding roads and open stretches. For riders who want a bike that can keep up with their adventurous lifestyle, the MT-09 is the perfect choice. For those seeking an even more premium experience, the Yamaha MT-09 SP variant is the ultimate option. This version features upgraded suspension, a special color scheme, and additional features like cruise control, providing a level of refinement and luxury that sets it apart. The SP variant is a testament to Yamaha's commitment to catering to riders who demand the very best in performance and style. The Yamaha MT-09 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. It's a symbol of freedom, adventure, and self-expression. Every ride is an opportunity to explore new horizons, push your limits, and experience the thrill of the open road. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the world of high-performance motorcycles, the MT-09 offers a riding experience that is second to none. Yamaha's dedication to innovation and craftsmanship is evident in every aspect of the MT-09, from its cutting-edge technology to its bold design. This is a bike that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. It's a machine that challenges the status quo, setting new standards for what a naked bike can be. So, are you ready to take the next step? Are you ready to experience the power, precision, and passion of the Yamaha MT-09? This is more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to a world of excitement, freedom, and adventure. With the MT-09, every ride is a journey, every turn is an opportunity, and every moment is unforgettable. Step into the future of motorcycling with the Yamaha MT-09. Your adventure starts here. Please like this video and subscribe my channel so you never any updates.